Hey guys and girls, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best Chromebook laptops. This list is based on my personal opinion and tons of research, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the Chromebooks in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. Once we reach 1,000 likes, we will pick a winner and notify him. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best Chromebooks on the market right now. Coming at number 5, we've got the HP Chromebook 15. Specs: 8th generation Intel Core i3 8130U processor, 15.6-inch IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, 4 GB of RAM, 64 or 128 GB of built-in storage, 2 USB-C 3.1 ports, USB 3.1 Type-A port, micro SD card slot. The Chromebook 15 is our favorite pick for those looking for a larger screen. The attractively priced notebook has a bright, easy-to-read 15-inch IPS touchscreen display, an attractive ceramic-like body with a sleek design, slim bezels, and metal accents. The keyboard is full-size, backlit, and has that beloved number pad for spreadsheet makers. Other specs include 4 GB of onboard memory, an integrated Intel HD Graphics 620 GPU, and up to 8 hours of battery life. With speakers tuned by B&O Play, the notebook also offers a surprisingly good audio experience for its price point. By default, it comes with 64 GB of storage space, but you can pay extra for double the space and a faster Intel Core i5 processor. Coming at number 4, Samsung Chromebook 3. If you don't want to spend a ton of money, you can't go wrong with Samsung's latest Chromebook. It rocks a sleek monochrome body with 11.6-inch screen and is powered by an Intel Celeron processor from 1.6 up to 2.8 GHz. The laptop is less than 10 millimeters thick and it weighs just 2.54 pounds, making it a tiny laptop. We love that the device is small enough to tuck under your arms, and we're happy to see that it comes with a spill-resistant keyboard. Since the laptop screen is really bright, with 1366 by 768 LED display at 259 nits, you will have no problem using it comfortably in low-light areas. One thing worth mentioning, editors at The Verge and Laptop Magazine both got less than 10 hours of use before the Chromebook's battery needed recharging. Battery life aside, if you want a thin, ultra-portable Chromebook that does the job, this one is worth splurging for. Number 3, Google Pixelbook Go. Specs: 8th generation Intel Core M3, Core i5, i7 CPU. 13.3-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels or 3840 by 2160 pixels. 8 or 16 GB of RAM, up to 256 GB of built-in storage, 2 USB-C ports. The long-awaited successor to the Google Pixelbook has a pleasantly understated design, good hardware specs, blisteringly fast performance, a fantastic keyboard and trackpad, which a Tech Radar review editor says are the main selling points, and epic battery life. Best of all, with a starting price tag of $649, the Pixelbook Go is priced more attractively than its $999 plus predecessor. Google offers the entry-level Pixelbook Go with 8 GB of RAM, thus ensuring that you won't be lacking in multitasking capabilities either. The Pixelbook Go has a grippy texture on its bottom, which is not only cool looking in the metal, but also handy in preventing it from accidentally slipping out of your hand when you're carrying it. Its magnesium body of the Chromebook is lightweight and thin, yet impressively durable. Coming at number 2, Acer Chromebook Spin 15. Specs: quad-core Intel Pentium processor, 15.6-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, 4 GB of RAM, 32 GB of built-in storage, 2 USB-C ports, 2 USB-A ports, micro SD card slot. The reasonably priced Acer 2-in-1 Chromebook is a good pick for students. It has a large 15-inch screen, a comfortable full-size keyboard, and up to 9 hours of battery life. The notebook's processor isn't the fastest around, but it's more than sufficient for basic tasks. The 15.6-inch touch display won't wow you with its HD resolution either, but its 360-degree hinge allows you to lay it flat on a table to share content with friends or classmates, and stand it up like a tent. The laptop packs plenty of ports, including a USB-C and USB 3.1 ports on each side and a micro SD card slot to expand its small 32 GB of storage. If you need a bit more power and are willing to pay extra for it, we recommend the 15-inch Lenovo Yoga C630 Chromebook, which is powered by a faster processor and is equipped with 4 times more storage space than Acer's model. Number 1. HP X360 Convertible 2-in-1. Specs: 8th generation Intel Core i3 processor, 14-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, 4 or 8 GB of RAM, up to 64 GB of built-in storage, 2 USB-C ports, 1 USB-A port, micro SD card slot. The HP X360 is one of the few Chromebooks that's worthy of being a true laptop replacement. It's elegant, incredibly versatile, and a premium build, and offers top-notch performance. Compared to other Chromebooks that feel plasticky and cheap, this one is well-made, polished, and feels solid. Its 14-inch touchscreen display does have a bit more bezel than the similar Asus Chromebook Flip C424, but thankfully the screen has a 360-degree hinge, so you can fold it back and use it like a tablet. The notebook comes with an Intel Core i3 processor and an impressive 8 GB of RAM. More RAM means better, less sluggish multitasking. This Chromebook is more than capable of browsing with multiple tabs open, editing several documents simultaneously, and playing music or videos without issue. Our only complaint was that we wish there was a variant with a 128 GB of storage space. This one only has 64 GB of storage on board. Fortunately, it has a micro SD card slot handy for expanding storage when you need to load up on movies before a long flight. Even better, you can average about 13 hours of battery life on a single charge. An impressive feat for a laptop this portable. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best Chromebook. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.